OMG. Ooh-wee. Unbelievable, y'all. The dripness. This is what you call pure drippage. Unreal, y'all. Check this out. This is the snowflake joint with the highly accented polish. Highly accented polishing on the gum lines, on the edges. Taking the snowflake to a whole nother level, y'all. Sorry, excuse my son, but you guys have seen this before, but now it's going on steroids. Thank you guys once again for supporting. All the love and support. Appreciate everyone for tapping in, for showing that true support. Everybody that's following protocol, calling the business line. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. So if you need something like this is probably running around $1,300 right now on sale. This is a lot of work. This is 8 top, 8 bottom with the Diamond Dust. Deep cuts. Incredible. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. Stay positive. Stay blessed, y'all. And I look forward to working with you as soon as possible. Peace out. One.